Welcome everyone. Today we're taking a quick but meaningful look at the ASUS ProArt Display PA329CRV, a 32-inch professional monitor built for serious creative work. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this monitor at the best price. The PA329CRV is clearly designed with photographers, video editors, designers, and color-critical professionals in mind, and that focus shows the moment you power it on. The 31.5-inch 4K UHD IPS panel delivers sharp detail and wide viewing angles, making it easy to work comfortably for long hours. Whether you're editing timelines or fine-tuning color grades, one of its biggest strengths is color accuracy, with 98% DCI P3 coverage and factory calibration that achieves delta E values under 2, which means what you see on screen is extremely close to real-world color. Calman verification adds extra confidence, especially if your work demands consistency across devices. Connectivity is another major highlight, with USB-C offering up to 96 watts of power delivery, allowing a single cable to handle display, data, and charging for laptops, including MacBooks. The daisy chain support also helps keep multi-monitor setups clean and efficient. HDR400 support improves contrast and brightness for compatible content. Though it's important to be honest here, this is not a true high-end HDR experience, and it's more about subtle enhancement than dramatic cinematic effects. The glossy screen surface makes colors pop, but it may reflect light in brighter rooms, so proper lighting matters. Built-in speakers are basic, so most users will still prefer external audio. Overall, the ASUS ProArt PA329CRV delivers outstanding value for creative professionals who want reliable color performance, strong connectivity, and a clean, professional design without paying flagship studio monitor prices. If accurate color, productivity-focused features, and long-term reliability matter to you, this monitor is absolutely worth considering, and checking the link in the description below is the smartest way to see current pricing and decide if it's the right upgrade for your setup.